Very good evening. This is Prabhu, Habytat. I am founder and CEO of Habytat. Let's look at the real estate journey as a consumer, also from a development management perspective, right? So almost real estate developers lose 30% of potential, business opportunity of 4 lakh crore rupees due to poor lead management processes and inefficiency between departments. Over 80% of real estate companies in India actually never use a CRM. Instead, they rely on Excel or even papers and pens. So basically, the siloed data in the Excel sheet will slow down the entire process. And most of the 70% of the home buyers in India were dissatisfied due to a lag of their response from the TAD time from the CRM team to the customers. So if you look at real estate companies actually don't have a tailor-made CRM. So we try to run different Excel sheets from different departments, right from marketing, pre-sales, channel sales, sales, post-sales, right from customer experience. Finally, it drives to a bad customer experience. So inefficiency and delayed processes, broken workflow, and the complete data disconnection, which actually throughout the real estate development life cycle creates a very bad experience and also frustration among the real estate developers' internal teams. Here comes a super app and API for real estate, which is tailor-built for real estate developers, which primarily helps to improve site visits, increase the cash flows collections, and deliver delighted customer experience. How we do this? We do this two ways. We have built a centralized API as well as super app, which right away integrates from marketplace integrations like social media, your real estate marketplaces, as well as all the communications channels, including MQ, Exotel, or WhatsApp, or any other tools, and a specialized UI UX channel partner app, which gets synchronized with the API along with your CRM, and also the payment gateway integrations, especially when you are collecting the token advances from a booking aspect, and including the post-sales like documents, KYC, construction progress, all including the MIS reports. For example, it takes around approximately at least a week or so to have a consolidated report from all the departments to get some basic snapshot. So, and also we have integrated a centralized customer experience app which talks with Salesforce. So this is like a full stack real estate CRM tailor-made exclusively for developers, agents, and builders. What is the Habytat advantage? So basically, it's a mobile-first CRM. There are a lot of CRMs which we can name in the market, but they were never mobile-first. They were more of web-centric. And also, we come with open AI with WhatsApp automation for every single aspect, tailor-made for Indian real estate, where you can manage leads, marketplaces, channel partners, prospects 24/7. So how we do is, these are some of the product lines we have built on top of our API. We have digitized, made paperless for some of our customers in terms of booking forms, an integrated channel partner app, which actually avoids the duplicate lead conflict, especially from a channel partner aspect, and also a customer delight app, which entirely pulls all the data from your centralized CRM from all post-sales service requests, including the payment receipts, updates, everything. And also site visit management app along with WhatsApp chatbot automation right from lead qualification till the post-sales reminders and payments. And also we have streamlined, with a click of a button, we are generating demand notes, cost sheets, booking form throughout the life cycle. So these are the key focus areas we are helping developers is how to improve their site visits and sales velocity, how to accelerate the cash flows by delivering a good customer information and also deliver good customer experience. So far we have powered 100,000 site visits and 400 bookings worth $100 million, and we have handled close to 1 million leads for a delighted 4,000 plus home buyers. So these are some of our customers where we have increased sales efficiency up to 39%, and we have got the NPS score from the customers, for the developers' customers, is 9 out of 10. And the turnaround time for any kind of information throughout the stack is around split second. So if you look at our competition, there are various CRMs. You can name Lead Squad, Sell.Do, or Salesforce, right? They are non-real estate generic CRMs. They are not tailor-made for real estate, right? And if you look at Salesforce, it's a very expensive affair. And also there are Sell.Do, which has been there for a decade, right? And we are a newcomer where what Sell.Do had done a decade before with all the learnings we are coming now. And there are affordable alternates like Excel sheets and WhatsApp. So basically, we all rely on Excel sheets or WhatsApp, or all the top tier companies end up using Salesforce. But that's where Habytat comes. It's affordable, tailor-made, real estate focused. And so now after working with our initial set of customers, we have got a playbook where we can help developers to actually automate, do a lot of digital transformation. That's a crowd-learned process where we have understood. And we are right now helping even the small and medium developers to digitally transform from Excel sheets to a particular software. And that's how it works. For this is a super app API we built, and this is the super app, and it talks to your existing ERPs and CRMs like Salesforce, SAP without disturbing the developer's ecosystem. The problem is every developer, like the jury was saying, has different softwares for different means, right? We can't go and disturb the existing ecosystem because of the process workload which has been already invested in terms of time and money. So that's where we come handy without disturbing the ecosystem. We have built an API which talks to these ERPs or CRMs or even marketplaces and then connects to this. For example, this is for one of our customers, Shriram Properties. We have built a site visit app, digitized the booking form, and we have done the payment gateway collections as well as the channel partner app, which integrates with Razorpay, CC Avenue, Salesforce, and we have deployed on-premise on their AWS, keeping the data security as a main prime point. And this is one of other customer in Bangalore Century, where we have deployed a very intuitive mobile app for both Android and iOS, which has a customer experience app which talks with Salesforce and enabled WhatsApp integration for post-sales in AWS. So our offerings for top tier 1 developers who are already using Salesforce SAP, we come handy with our API and integrate with their ecosystem. And for the other set of developers, we want to replace the app with the existing papers on pen or Excel sheets or any outdated CRMs. So I've been a part of HCL Allianz as a software engineer, and this is my third product company. My earlier product company got acquisition offer from Kunal Shah's Cred and also from Kavin Bharti Mittal for a AI product SMS app. So now we have been part of this product called Habytat from 2018. So yeah, and this.
Do you white label the solutions?
Yes, we white label the solutions, especially for enterprise customers. So we also deploy the solution on the developer's cloud. Let's say they have an existing infrastructure. We do that for data security concerns. At the same time, not compromising on the UI UX or the functionality or the workflow or the transaction information actually.
But you have a standard solution as a
we have a product ready. For small scale of developers, we do end-to-end deployment. For large scale of developers who are already using enterprise softwares, we integrate with them actually.
What do you, in the earlier slides, you showed Salesforce towards the end. What do you integrate in that chain with Salesforce for?
So for example, let's take a use case. Let's say a developer is having a marketing sales cloud on Salesforce. So they have all the lead data, the marketing data, campaign performance data. So all this data they have, but this data will never talk to the post-sales or CRM department if they have not implemented a post-sales experience in Salesforce. That's where we come in handy, pick this data, synchronize that data with the post-sales application of ours, and do the 360-degree data flow actually.
And you mentioned you are a super app. So one app for all the
yes. So
different stakeholders.
We have spent almost 4 years working with only Shriram Properties to understand the workflow. We literally built the product in their premise. So we had only 6 clients now because we went deep enough to understand the workflow. And what we believe and we are confident is, there are many specialized softwares for each of these, like construction management, right? But nobody is looking at a holistic solution, which not only every product tries and try to bombard the other product. We are not there. So we want to build an open API platform which coexists with their data sets and the data transformation. At the same time, our products also being deployed actually. That's the USP we're bringing onto the table.
Most of the developers have their own apps.
Exactly.
They have Salesforce. So just exposing the API, nobody will take the platform.
That is only for that is.
So you have customer app, you have a CP app. People have those things.
You are exactly correct, but only the top tier 1 developers, hardly 10-20 developers, have their own IT teams or their applications. If you look at the market, can I go back? Okay. If you look at the market, there are like thousands of developers.
How many customers you have acquired?
So we have got seven developers.
What's the revenue?
So I have not made the revenue.
What's the revenue model?
So it's a subscription-based revenue. So what we have done is we have got no cap on the limit, no limit on the users. We are selling module-based actually.